It's a beautiful morning in Amakusa in TAYUTA, a luxury ryokan. Showed you the room earlier, but figured the view from the property grounds is worth pointing out. So we are looking out from the main restaurant and reception lounge area, the back lawn or front lawn, the sitting area. These are the lounge area. This is a private dining room. And so come around. You see, so this is Amakusa, which is a famous, well-known place within Kumamoto prefecture. There's a peninsula that's connected to the main island of Kyushu, and then there's a chain of islands dotting the seascape, as you can see here. Some connected by bridges, some that are not. It's a historical site in that a lot of the hidden Christians of Japan during the Prohibition period of Christianity during the Tokugawa shogunate, they hung out here and in hiding to practice their religion. So TAYUTA is located in Kamiamakusa, which is on the peninsular part of Amakusa, to really get a feel for the true history and the nature of it all in Amakusa. You do need to kind of get a rental car, ideally, and venture further afield. There are some UNESCO World Heritage Site churches, among other things. So, yeah, this is the scenery. Walking down here, there's some guest rooms that are transported by a tuk-tuk or rickshaw, an electric one. It's not a golf cart because it does look and operate like a rickshaw with like bicycle handlebars instead of a steering wheel. So yeah, you can see you come down from there. 12-room luxury ryokan, brand new, opened in December 2024. I guess one final thing I'll point out is across the bay, or part of the bay, there is a massive mountain, massive by Japanese standards, called Fugendake, which is in the Shimabara Peninsula. That is part of Nagasaki Prefecture. And we hiked it. It's quite a rocky climb. You can see it's a little against the sun, but this is the TAYUTA, the main area. So coming out here, I may have showed it to you in the beginning, but here it is again as I finish this clip. In the distance here, that is the Shimabara Peninsula in Nagasaki, and the mountain in the back is Fugendake, the mountain, the big one. That's also near where Unzen is, another famous hot springs resort town. It's known for its awesome thermal bath. The other thing is, if you, my footing, you see here that just to the left there's a large, not large, it's a small island actually, the big mountain or hill, and you can see it's connected by a sandbar. That is there from Hiei Beach. That land connection only occurs during low tide a few times a day. So if you want to go, you have to time it right. I don't know how what there is to do there, but it's probably peaceful and a nice romantic stroll, or maybe hike up the mountain. I don't know if you can do that. But anyway, so there's a lot of scenic areas around here and throughout Amakusa, and we're glad to have returned to this beautiful place. There's another new ryokan we do need to try, which would make it our third time here, called Amanojaku. But TAYUTA has been pretty amazing, and we would not hesitate to come back again as well. TAYUTA in Amakusa, Kumamoto Prefecture, Japan.